What specific medical conditions can benefit from a ketogenic diet? So, much more clinical evidence is needed to substantiate the medical benefits associated with the keto diet. However, many patients have experienced significant health improvement following ketogenic diets, even when medications and other forms of treatment have failed. Currently, the investment required to prove the effectiveness of medications is several billion dollars, so it will take time for the equivalent amount of evidence to be gathered about the ketogenic diet. Individuals who wish to take responsibility for their own health should critically analyze available information that's currently out there. Always remember that profit drives corporate media, the news, TV programs, so the information you read online and consumer advertising always has significant bias in the health and nutrition industry. So guys, just be wary of this and who is presenting you with the information. It's been seen that a nutritionally balanced ketogenic diet can help improve and even reverse a range of chronic diseases, including Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, autism, depression, migraines, type 2 diabetes and prediabetes, chronic fatigue syndrome, cancer, epilepsy, PCOS and some fertility issues, GERD, otherwise known as acid reflux and heartburn, metabolic syndrome,